Are you tired of building Valentine's emails from scratch? Get a polished, on-brand design in Klaviyo in under 3 minutes. We'll open content, navigate to templates, filter by seasons and holidays, pick a Valentine's Day design, hit Use Template, and customize it. First, click on Content to get going. Then, click on Templates to pull up your template options. Once you're in Templates, click on Seasons and Holidays to show those themed templates. Then, click on Valentine's Day to filter down to just the Valentine's designs. Start choosing. When you've decided, click on your chosen template to open it up. Then, click on Use Template to load it into the editor. Finally, start editing it to make the email your own. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.